Okay, so there we go. So I turned the flash on. So for you people that don't know, this is a 5.3 liter LS4. It's basically a shortened block of a LS1 LS6 engine. So it's it's like a the truck motor but shortened. Really it's more of a truck 5.3. But it's got like the valve train from a car, not a heavy valve truck engine. So yeah, as you can see, I don't really have a lot of room, but it is a decent amount of room under here. I kind of underestimated that. Every time I think about it, it just seems like it's a lot tighter than what it really is. So I mean, really, I might just pull the hood off and just pull it straight up. But we won't know exactly what we're doing until we start disconnecting stuff and getting all that stuff done. So I'm probably just gonna wait until tomorrow to start on it, just because Ryan will be here, and we can game plan and scheme on how we're gonna do it. But here's my stuff that I've used to work on it. Actually, where's my impact at? Oh, there we go. Let me move this over here out the way so Jasmine won't kill herself coming home. But he got some OBX headers. Jesus, man, this is just hanging. Well, they didn't really do a good job of cleaning this before. Yeah. All right, but yeah, so he got a milling oil pump, Taylor wires. He got some rocker arms that's already got a training kit in it. He got some new injectors because the injectors that come in those are really small. He runs E85, so he got those TR6, I don't know, was it 7s? Irradiums. He doesn't need that because he already has one. So I'll probably have him just send that back. New valve guides, not valve guides, lifter trays. Basically what's in there, the tensioner, new bolt, stock GM head bolts, which I really hate because you have to do freaking 55 degrees, 75 degrees when you torque them down, whatever it is. New valley tray, head gaskets, and front main seal, water pump gaskets, and front cover gasket. His cam, I won't say what cam it is. Y'all can just guess. Valve springs. Hopefully, I haven't checked them, so hopefully they're dual. Okay, they are duals. They are dual valve springs. Cool. And he bought the whole kit, so cool. And then some push rods, which we hope is the correct size, because it's gonna suck having to pull the valve train apart just to swap out. He might need some header gaskets because this car got, I think he said 160,000 miles on it, so ain't no telling. And it's gonna be fucking hell and back to get all this stuff off. So I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying it down and yeah, go from there. Apparently, I guess some of the header bolts got broken or something, and I'm probably gonna have to take it to my machine shop and get some work done. But yeah, I mean, 5.3 Monte Carlo, and can't wait to hear it chop. So yeah, we're gonna get started on it, and hopefully get it done this week, if not by this weekend, so he can get it tuned and ready to go. But yeah, like I said, we'll get back with y'all on this and go from there. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, hit it. What's up, y'all? Alright, Me and Ryan worked on the car last night. We got like way more done than we expected. Thought I'd give y'all some sound effects. But yeah. So we got way more done than we expected. So we got the intake off. What's just the hardest part on this car. So now we're gonna get the water pump off later. Crossover tube off. And I mean disconnect all the miscellaneous things so we can get this thing plugged out by tonight, hopefully. So yeah. So we're like, you know, really close to getting it done. We still got like 5 days to get it done. And we're taking our time just so we can make sure we get everything. So yeah, we don't have much more to do. So we'll get back with y'all with an update on what's going on. What's up, y'all? I ain't brushed my head, ain't did nothing to my head. I just came out, dropped Jazz off this morning early. Dropped off early. Went back, probably slept about another hour, and been working on this since. So since about, I guess, 9 o'clock, and it is 12:23, I've been working on this car. So, got a little bit more done. Well, the head is undone, but the problem is this freaking power steering pump is in the way of this head bolt. So now I'm trying to figure out how to get the water pump off. I still got to get the tensioner, but I can't feel that bolt over there. Feel the tensioner down here. And then I could get this off, which will free up me some more space to be able to get this freaking water pump off. So it's a big hassle with this thing. So I took off the front manifold, which got me to these bolts. Now I can see the motor mount. Now I can depressurize the AC system. I can also undo the starter. And I can also get to the rear bolts that connect from the rear of the engine to the transmission. But really, man, all I gotta do, oh man, and that freaking back end of the engine where the downpipe is for these LS4 cars, man, that thing is rusted on. So I've just been spraying it with PB, and I'm probably just gonna have to hit it tomorrow or something. I don't know. But here in a little bit, around by 1:30, I'm gonna take a shower and then head downtown. Me and Jess is going to a NASCAR event. So tomorrow, I think Ryan should be here to help out. Maybe tonight he might be here. Maybe he can help me figure out how to get this dang water pump out. Because if you're looking on the diagram or looking at a picture of the water pump, like on all the regular LS cars, it is 6 bolts. It's 3 on this side and 3 on that side. This got like 57 bolts and 13 cent on it. You know what I mean? It's just crazy. And then you can't get the freaking bolts off. You can't get these off because it hit that. So these I got off. But I'm thinking that you got to take these pulleys off maybe. Maybe not this one. Because I don't see, that's not even connected to the block. Maybe like this pulley here has to come off, and there's anything that's right there. So, I mean, it's almost done, you know? It's almost done to be able to be pulled out. But like I said, I'm still waiting on a couple things to get this thing out and trying to figure out this left side, the belt side of the engine. It's getting on my nerves. It's really getting on my nerves. It's really working me because it's almost out. It's almost out. Because I'm probably going to end up sending the heads out to get them cleaned, and that's about it. Just get them cleaned because these things are yucky, disgusting, and nasty. I'm probably going to drop his intake manifold, you know, some Dawn soap, and get as much oil out of it as I can. I mean, it's kind of pointless too. And I'm not really sure if I'm going to take the heads to the machine shop if I really don't have to. Because he was saying something about some head bolts getting stuck or broken or something. I don't know. But, what was I about to say? Because he doesn't have a catch can. So it's kind of like pointless for me to try to clean up the heads if he don't have anything to catch the oil with. So, yeah, so I'm working on it, trying to get it out as soon as possible. I'm ready to get this car out my garage. So, yeah, get back with y'all. When you don't have a machine to depressurize the freaking AC, it's just what you gotta do. I get high, high, high every day. I get high. I am afraid to breathe because I know I will legitimately get high. Yeah, I don't even remember where that. Oh, there you go. Alrighty then. Got that out. Waiting to inhale. Really only black people catch that joke. Alright, well, got that done. I didn't die. Luckily. Alright, where's that neck go? Oh. Alright. Well, I'll get back to y'all in a little bit. Boy, that lovely blender, boy. Oh yeah.